everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a document for evidence for a child's booking that has been marked absent when they go over their 42 unexplained absent days. To do this, you can click on the child's details page and then you can click on the bookings tab. You can then click on the absent document tab. Click here to add a new absent record. If you need to upload the document, you can click upload and complete the document upload process. If you have already uploaded the document, you can click select. Select that document under the absent evidence document heading. You need to enter in the start date and the end date you wish to enter in for the absent document. So this is going to cover the days that the child was absent. If those sessions have already been submitted to CCS, you will need to have the Submit Varied Session Reports ticked. This is not relevant if it's for days in the future. And then you can click Save. To ensure the absence CCS is paid, on the child's booking, you need to also ensure that you have selected an additional absent reason. So it needs to be an absent reason, anything other than the type other. So for example, child ill. For further information on how to upload a document as evidence for a child's absent day, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.